Hi, my name is Frank Provenzano from the Provenzano Group, and welcome to Homeschool. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your air conditioner unit, specifically these condenser coils that dissipate heat. It's really important, especially this time of year when you've got a lot of pollen in the air, to make sure these are clean so that your unit operates efficiently and you reduce electricity costs. And a quick and dirty way is just to take a simple garden hose, not too much pressure, and literally start from the top down and just spray out any of the junk and gunk that collects in there. Go top to bottom, nice and easy, and that's basically it. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can kill the power to your unit, take the top off, and start to first spray from the inside out to make sure you're getting everything out. You got to be a little more careful when you do that you don't spray the electrical components and you don't electrocute yourself. But a real quick and dirty way is the way I just showed you. And that's pretty much it. Do that once or twice a year and your HVAC unit will last a lot longer. And that is Homeschool.